So students, in the earlier classes we have dealt with the concept of work, what actually work is, work in the literal sense and work in the language of physics, and then we have dealt with the measurement of work, how it is to be measured and what all is required. For the measurement of work we require force and displacement, and if any one of it is zero, the amount of work will be zero. Then we have calculated here. I told you that both of them, the force and the displacement, should be in the same direction, and if any one of it is in different direction, we have to find out its component in the other one's direction. So like here, force is in this direction and displacement is in this direction. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate the component of displacement in the direction of force. So the formula will be Fs cos theta. And another case similarly was here. Force was being applied here and the displacement was being made here. So in the first case we found out the component of displacement in the direction of force, and now we are finding out the component of force in the direction of displacement. So F cos theta. So again the formula will be W is equal to F cos theta into S. So the ultimate formula will be, as always, Fs cos theta. So this is what we have studied in the earlier videos. Now we have to deal with the spatial cases. Okay, so there are many spatial cases for this, like the first case. So here is the first case. If the displacement is in the direction of force. So if the displacement is in the direction of force means what will be the angle theta here? This is the direction of force and this is the direction of displacement. So both are in same direction, means the angle between them, theta, is equal to 0 degree. So F into S into cos of 0 degree. So the cos of 0 degree value for that is 1 into 1. That will be, the final value will be the product of the magnitudes of force and displacement. Then if the angle is 90 degree, that is, if the displacement is normal to the direction of force, theta is 90 degree, then cos of 90 degree is 0. The work done will be 0, and this is the spatial and very important case that you have to go through. And for this, I'll give you certain examples. One of the example here is that of coolie. Suppose there is a coolie and he is carrying certain weight over his head. Okay, and he is moving from left to right. Okay, there are two forces we have to consider. One is the force of gravity and another one is the force of friction. Clear? So what you have to do here is, first we'll consider force of gravity. Okay, this coolie is moving in this direction. Okay, so the displacement is in this direction and the force of gravity is acting downwards. Always the gravity acts downwards. What is the angle? It is 90 degree. So if the angle is 90 degree, the work done will be 0. So if the coolie is moving on the road carrying the load over his head, if we are seeing what is the work done by coolie against the force of gravity or with respect to the force of gravity, it is 0. Although coolie is taking the load, although coolie is getting tired, but still his work done is 0 when we are considering in terms of force of gravity. Now the second case is force of friction. Coolie is moving in this direction from left to right. Sorry. Coolie is moving from left to right and the force of friction, that is acting from right to left. Clear? So these are two things acting in opposite direction. So the angle theta will be 180 degree. Cos of 180 degree is equal to minus 1. So the work done, W is equal to Fs cos of theta. Cos of 180 degree is minus 1, so this will be minus Fs. So the work done here will be minimum and it will be negative. And here the work done when the angle theta was 0 degree. So here the work done was Fs and plus it was positive and it was maximum. Clear? And when it is 90 degree, clearly the work done is 0. So 3 cases you have to study. I am summing it up again. When theta is equal to 0 degree, work done is positive and maximum. When theta is equal to 90 degree, work done is 0. And when theta is equal to 180 degree, work done is negative and minimum. Okay, here it will be plus Fs for this case, and here for this case it will be minus Fs. And here it is 0. So this table you have to by heart. Actually by hearting is not needed if you understand it very clearly. So this much is for the special cases.